Dear students, today we explains Braggs equation. So in intermediate level, AP state or anything, it is very important. Generally, a 4 marks question. So if any question given in solid state, it must be or maybe there must be Braggs equation, derivation of Braggs equation problem. So for derivation 2 marks, problems 2 marks. 2 plus 2, 4 marks. Okay. Next, what is Braggs equation? So this equation was discovered by W.H. Bragg. W.H. Bragg to consider the structure of crystal structures. So what is Bragg's equation means? The equation which is used to consider to verify the structure of crystals. Structure of crystals is known as Bragg's equation. So to consider the structure of crystals, W.H. Bragg made an experiment which is known as Bragg's experiment. On Bragg's experiment, Bragg's equation is derived. So మనం Bragg's experiment చెప్తున్నాం. So Bragg's experiment. First one is, so in this experiment, first you take a crystal. Generally, if you take a crystal, in crystal we take 2 layers. ఒక క్రిస్టల్ తీసుకుందాం, ఆ క్రిస్టల్లో 2 లేయర్స్ తీసుకుందాం. So this is layer 1, layer 2. This is a crystal. In crystal layer 1, layer 2. Consider now on this crystal, that means consider X-rays are falling on the crystals. So in crystal has X-rays, no? We are sending X-rays on this crystal. So this first X-ray, second X-ray. First X-ray falls on first X-ray, that means X-ray 1. This is reflected X-ray. Next, second X-ray falls same on the same. So consider two X-rays falling on a crystal with wavelength lambda. That means the wavelength of the X-rays is wavelength of X-ray. The wavelength of the X-ray falls on the crystals. Crystal layers is equal lambda. ఇప్పుడు ఇది క్రిస్టల్, ఇది లేయర్ 1, లేయర్ 2, 2 లేయర్స్ ఉన్నాయి క్రిస్టల్లో. ఈ లేయర్లో ఎక్స్రేస్ ని పంపిస్తున్నాయి. ఇది ఫస్ట్ ఎక్స్రే, ఇది సెకండ్ ఎక్స్రే. ఫస్ట్ ఎక్స్రే ఫాల్స్ హియర్. దిస్ ఈస్ ఇన్సిడెంట్, దిస్ ఈస్ రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ రైట్. ఇన్సిడెంట్ పాయింట్. దిస్ ఈస్ సెకండ్ ఎక్స్రే, దిస్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ రైట్. అంటే ది ఎక్స్రేస్ ఆర్ బౌన్స్. ఇక్కడ రెండే దే ఆర్ రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్. సో నౌ దిస్ ఆర్ యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్, దట్ మీన్స్ యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్సిడెంట్స్. యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్సిడెంట్స్ లెట్ వి టేక్ థీటా. సో ఇక్కడ యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్సిడెంట్ థీటా అనుకున్నాం. Now there are 2 triangles are formed. Two triangles are formed. This is A, B, C, Z. Okay. Next one. So here the extra distance traveled by the X-rays is equal to the extra distance traveled by the X-rays. Extra distance traveled by the X-rays is equal AB plus BC. extra distance traveled by the x-rays is equal to AB plus BC. But we know that extra distance traveled by the x-rays, extra distance traveled by the x-rays is equal to multiple integral of wavelength. Multiple integral of wavelength. Therefore, AB plus BC is equal to n lambda. This is equation 1. First one, extra distance traveled by the x-rays is called AB plus BC. Therefore, extra distance traveled by the x-ray is equal to multiple integral of wavelength. Therefore, AB plus BC is equal to n lambda. Equation 1. So in this diagram there are two triangles. Two triangles are formed. First triangle is ZAB. Second one is BCZ. So in triangle ZAB, so here lambda, this is called theta. Here also theta, this is lambda. So angle ZAB is a right angle. Angle ZAB is this is a right triangle. So in right triangle, sin theta is equal, we know that, therefore sin theta is equal opposite side by hypotenuse. So this is opposite side AB by hypotenuse is equal BZ. Here this is first layer, this is second layer. The distance between the two layers is equal D. It is known as interplanar distance. ఈ రెండు లేయర్స్ మధ్య యొక్క డిస్టెన్స్ ని ఇంటర్ప్లానర్ డిస్టెన్స్ D అంటారు. So here also layer 1, layer 2. So here also this is interplanar distance D. Therefore sin theta is equal to AB by, here BZ is equal the distance between two layers. BZ is equal the distance between two layers. Therefore AB by T. Therefore AB is equal D sin theta. So similarly in triangle, next triangle is angle BCZ. Angle BCZ, sin theta, this is hypotenuse, this is opposite side. Therefore sin theta is equal, so opposite side is BC by hypotenuse is BZ. That is called BZ by D. Therefore BC is equal, AB is equal D sin theta, equation 2. Therefore BC is equal D sin theta, equation 2. This equation is 3. So equation 2, AB is equal D sin theta, equation 2. BC is equal D sin theta, equation 3. So from 2 and 3 equations are substituted in equation 1. The 2, 3 equation 1 are substitute cheste, we know that AB plus BC is equal to n lambda. AB plus BC is equal to n lambda. AB is equal to D sin theta plus BC is equal to D sin theta is equal to n lambda. Therefore 2D sin theta is equal to n lambda, or n lambda is equal to 2D sin theta. This is known as Braggs equation. What is Braggs equation? N lambda is equal to 2D sin theta. Braggs equation ante enti? N lambda is equal to 2D sin theta. In this equation, n is equal to order of diffraction. Its value is 1, 2, 3, so on. Next, lambda is equal to wavelength of X-rays. X-rays. Lambda is equal to wavelength of X-rays. D is equal to interplanar distance. Theta is equal to angle of incident of X-rays. So what is here? Order of diffraction. Lambda is equal to wavelength of X-rays. D is equal to interplanar distance, and theta is equal to angle of incidence. So this is Braggs equation. So n lambda is equal to 2d sin theta. This is Braggs equation. So what is the use of this Braggs equation? This equation is used to find the structures, or to find the, that means the crystal structures, or to find the structures of crystals. That means proposed by W.H. Bragg. What is Braggs equation? Lambda is equal to 2d sin theta. I have noticed it. Okay. Applications of Braggs equation. So what is the use of the Braggs equation? This is a 2 marks. In entrance bit is 1 thing. So first one, the Braggs equation is applied for both electron diffraction and neutron diffraction. Second one, electron diffraction, when we use electron diffraction, it provides a basic structures of the, that means a basic structures of the crystals. Next, when we use in X-ray diffraction, a diffraction pattern is obtained that measures the intensity of the scatters waves, that means a scattering angle of theta. When we use X-rays, that means the intensity of the X-rays we can find out. So with the scattering angle theta. These are the applications of Braggs equation.